Zilinganiselwa ngaphezulu kwekhulu izisebenzi ezihlanza idolobha iTheku ezibeke phansi amathuluzi ngoba zikhala ngokwehliselwa imiholo.
Ngiqale ukusebenza kulo msebenzi ngo-2008. Imali ebese siyithola beku-8,400. So ezikufike ama-contractors amasha imali kuthiwa yehlisiwe yaba u-5,000 and ihlukene-ke, abanye bathola u-5.3, abanye bathola u-4,000, so awuyazi kahle ukuthi injani.
Ngokusho kukamasipala, lezi sebenzi aziqashiwe umasipala kodwa ziqashwe izinkontileka ezisebenzela umasipala.
The recent picket that happened outside of the KwaMashu depot involved individuals who are not city or council employees, but rather workers that are appointed by private contractors providing services to the eThekwini municipality. Furthermore, there has been no reduction in salaries. Contractors were appointed under the Bargaining Council for Contract Cleaning Industry Services, which prescribes specific hourly rates of pay.
Lezi sebenzi zithi incazelo esayitholile ukuthi sezingaphansi komunye umnyango.
Ngokuzwa kwethu izolo kuthiwa inkinga sekushintshe i-bargaining council sesikwa cleaning. Well, ekseni sikwazile ukubafonela cleaning bargaining council, saya emeetingini arrange meeting nabo. Bakuveza ukuthi ngolwazi lwabo ama-contractors aka-DSW awekho kwi-jurisdiction yabo, asikho kwi-scope sabo. Bona badila strictly nabantu abenza i-cleaning thina sika-waste removal and collection.
Lesiteleka sithinta izindawo ezifana neNanda, Ntuzuma naKwaMashu.